Despite the rising construction costs and stagnant inventory during COVID, the real estate outlook remains optimistic with strong demand, especially in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, benefiting from the infrastructure projects like the Kashi Vishwanath Corridor. That's the word coming in from Sushil Mota, who's the chairman of Merlin Group. Let's listen into the slice of that conversation.
The trend will continue. The demand is there, and the demand is from the actual users. You must appreciate that, you see, there is a huge urbanization happening across the globe, and India is not far behind. House.
So I understand what you say, but does that really translate into further appreciation of prices in 2024?
Well, I think that, there won't be much appreciation this year, but the demand will continue. See, as a developer, we are looking for the demand to continue, the sales to continue. We are not a speculator. We would like homes to remain affordable so that the public can buy and they can make their home.
Right, but what do you foresee for the Tier 2 and 3 towns and cities?
Tier 1 cities have already grown. Now those Tier 1 cities are,
In terms of real estate?
Yeah, in terms of real estate, in terms of infrastructure. So they are now enlarging. They are now, a lot of suburban areas or nearby areas are merging into those Tier 1 cities. So they are becoming bigger and bigger. But 80% of our urban sector, urban population is living in Tier 2, Tier 3 or Tier 4 cities in our country. And our developer community, 80% of our developers are also coming from Tier 2, Tier 3 city. Now these Tier 2, Tier 3 city economies are also getting robust. And when the development projects like Kashi Vishwanath Corridor or Ayodhya Ram Mandir or something like this, which are absolutely iconic, which are path-breaking happens, then the whole city or the region transforms. Now, because of this Kashi Vishwanath Corridor or the rejuvenation of the entire Kashi Vishwanath or Varanasi city or the Ayodhya or the other cities, there will be huge influx of tourism. There will be huge development in terms of hotels and social infrastructure like healthcare, education.